should I be? Red, blue, orange, green, yellow, brown, gray, white, or lime green. Why is your name Grandma?
Because I'm Grandma.
Raise your hand if you're Grandma.
Yep. You just need a good scare to get rid of the hiccups.
Hi, Grandma.
I wanted to help you get rid of the hiccups. You know how?
You can hold your breath.
You could do that, or you could get scared. So I could scare you, and that could get rid of your hiccups. Is it working?
Oof! Ow!
Is it working?
You hit me with the door.
There you go. Did it work?
You really cured his hiccups.
He did quit hiccuping.
Thank you!
That was a great way to cure the hiccups.
He did quit
I respect
hiccuping.
it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I was trying to help him.
Discussion! Grandma! Let's vote Grandma!
Yes, let's vote Grandma. Grandma did it. I was trying to help him get rid of the hiccups.
Oh! Next time, just don't try it that way, alright? Try it a different way.
Okay.
Like smacking her, or next time, like, be behind the wall and boop. Right?
That's a great idea.
That's really good, Lime. I will try that
Do
next
not
time.
resort to killing.
Yeah, no killing, no killing. That's against the law.
It didn't work. He's still hiccuping. Did it work? No, it didn't work. Dadgummit. I really thought that might work. But Lime has pointed out the fact that next time I should just try to whack you, like smack you around a little, or jump out of the wall if they do.
Why do people have to join in and say, vote the host?
Vote
Vote
the
me!
host? Why?
Yeah, vote me!
Why?
Everybody says, vote me every time I join a game.
He's still got those awful hiccups. Smack him around now. He said to help you with your hiccups, I should smack you. Or jump out and say,
No.
boo! Boo!
Yeah.
Boo! That didn't work. It didn't work. But he said I couldn't kill you because that wouldn't do it. So, but I'm not sure. I still think
Yes,
it
I
might.
did my task. I said don't do that.
He's gonna hate me.
I said don't do that next time.